India has a lot of crowded streets, but what really fascinates me is how bus conductors in India attract customers to get on their bus, collect money while on their bus.
No rain.
So what they do is they use this very unique, almost shrieky voice. Already there's so much noise and sound around, so just being loud won't work for them to attract attention. What they do is they put on this voice almost very shrieky, so it's loud but also has a very different tonality to it. What that does is helps them communicate really uniquely to the audience, and automatically in their mind they are establishing themselves as a bus conductor, and people hear them even though there's so much noise all around. I find this a fantastic use of tonality when it comes to engaging in loud surroundings and ultimately affecting their daily livelihood and business. They're using a fantastic communication skill, which is different use of tonality and regulation to catch attention in their business. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.